Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 200 plus GK tricks for free. Part 1, Trick to remember Indian state and its famous dance. State and its famous dance. First one, Rajasthan. Its famous dance is Gomar. I repeat, Rajasthan famous dance is Gomar. I repeat once again, Rajasthan famous dance is Gomar. But how to remember this? Let us see the trick. See friends, in Rajasthan the first four letters are R-A-J-A. Its pronunciation is Raja. So try to remember Raja as Raju. Both look similar. Raju's pronunciation is Raja. So friends, try to remember Rajasthan as Raju. Rajasthan as Raju. Raju stands for Rajasthan. Coming to famous dance, see friends, its famous dance is Gomar. So try to remember Gomar as Gomar. Gomar as Gomar. Here Mar means beat, punish. Now we have got two words, Raju and Gomar. Now I am going to frame this into a sentence. Let us see the sentence. See here, Raju means king. Raju ordered his men to go and mark criminal. I repeat, Raju ordered his men to go and mark criminal. I repeat, Raju ordered his men to go and mark criminal. In the sentence, Raju stands for Rajasthan. Gomar stands for Gomar dance. Now tell me, which is the famous dance of Rajasthan? Gomar is the famous dance of Rajasthan. So friends, try to remember this sentence so that you can easily remember Rajasthan and Gomar dance. Here you can see the image, Raju ordering his men to go and mark criminal. Here Raju means Rajasthan, Gomar means Gomar dance. Remember famous dance in Punjab. It's a very important topic. Sure, we can expect one question in every government exam. So please be concentrate. Let us see the dance and its related new word. Let us see the famous dance in Punjab. The first important dance is Bhangra. I repeat, the first important dance is Bhangra. And the second important dance is Gidda. I repeat, the second important dance is Gidda. So total two important dance in Punjab. First one is Bhangra and second one is Gidda. But how to remember the state Punjab and these two famous dance? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Punjab, the last three letters J-A-B, its pronunciation is similar to job. So try to remember Punjab as job, Punjab, job, Punjab, job. Here job looks similar to Punjab. Coming to the Bhangra, the dance Bhangra, if you observe the word Bhangra, you can see the capital letters B-A-N-R. By using these four letters, I made a word banker. I made a word banker. If you observe the word banker, you can see these four letters which are in Bhangra. So try to remember the word Bhangra as banker. Bhangra as banker. Here banker stands for the dance Bhangra. Coming to the word Gidda, if you observe the word Gidda, you can see three capital letters D-D-A. By using these three letters, I made a word Adda. Gidda, Adda, Gidda, Adda. Almost both pronunciation is same. So try to remember the word Gidda as Adda. Now we have got total three new words, job, bankers, Adda. Now I am going to frame this into sentence. I got a job in a website called Bankers Adda. I repeat, I got a job in a website called Bankers Adda. I repeat, I got a job in a website called Bankers Adda. Friends, I think everyone know the website Bankers Adda. If you remember the word Bankers Adda, you can easily remember the two famous dance which are in Punjab. Here job dance stands for Punjab, Banker stands for Bhangra, Adda stands for Gidda. I got a job in a website called Bankers Adda. So friends, try to remember the word Bankers Adda so that you can easily remember two famous dance in Punjab. Friends, I am part 3, trick to remember famous dance in Kerala. Very important topic for all government exams. Let us see the dance and its related new word. Today we are going to see the famous dance which are in Kerala. The first one is Mohinattam and second one is Kathakali. I repeat, two famous dance in Kerala. They are Mohinattam and Kathakali. But how to remember these two famous dance and state Kerala? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Mohinattam, the first four capital letters MOHN. By using these four letters, I made a word Mohan. By using these four letters, I made a word Mohan. If you observe the word Mohan, you can see the four letters which are in Mohinattam. So try to remember the dance Mohinattam as Mohan, Mohinattam as Mohan. Coming to the dance Kathakali, if you observe the word Kathakali, you can see four capital letters Kali. Its pronunciation is similar to Kali. Its pronunciation is similar to Kali. Kali is a goddess. So try to remember Kathakali as Kali. Kathakali as Kali. In this way, we have got total two new words, Mohan and Kali. Now I am going to frame this into sentence. Let us see here. Famous actor Mohanlal visited Kerala to worship Kali Mata. I repeat. Actor Mohanlal came to worship Kali Mata. I repeat. Actor Mohanlal worshipped Kali Mata. I repeat. Actor Mohanlal worshipped Kali Mata. Friends, do you know the actor Mohanlal is from Kerala? So if you remember this famous actor name, so that you can easily remember the dance Mohinattam, and he is from Kerala. So try to remember the actor name Mohanlal so that you can easily remember Mohinattam and state Kerala. Mohanlal visited Kerala to worship Kali Mata. Here you can see the image of Mohanlal. Here Mohanlal stands for Mohinattam and he is from Kerala. He came to Kerala to worship Kali Mata. Here you can see the image of Kali Mata. Here Kali stands for Kathakali. So friends, try to remember these two new words, Mohanlal and Kali Mata, so that you can easily remember the two famous dance which are in Kerala. Mohanlal worshipped Kali Mata. Mohanlal is from Kerala and Mohan stands for Mohinattam. Kali stands for Kathakali. Friends, I am providing all these tricks for free of cost. So to remember famous dance in Tamil Nadu, let us see the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. Dance and its related new word. Today we are going to see the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. I repeat, Bharatnatyam is the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. But how to remember the state Tamil Nadu and dance Bharatnatyam? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the state Tamil Nadu, you can see five letters Tamna. By using these five letters, I made a word Tamanna. I made a word Tamanna. So try to remember the state Tamil Nadu as Tamanna. Tamil Nadu as Tamanna. Tamanna is a famous actress. She also acted in the remake of Himmatwala and she is a famous South Indian actress. If you observe all my previous videos, we have assumed Tamil Nadu as Tamanna. So try to remember Tamil Nadu as Tamanna. Coming to the dance Bharatnatyam, if you observe the word Bharat, it is similar to Bharat. Bharat, 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 Bharat. So try to remember the word Bharatnatyam as Bharat. Here you can see the two new names, Tamanna and Bharat. Now I am going to frame these two new words into a sentence. Let us see. Actress Tamanna participated in Swachh Bharat. I repeat, actress Tamanna participated in Swachh Bharat. Here you can see the image of Tamanna participated in Swachh Bharat. Here actress Tamanna stands for Tamil Nadu. Bharat stands for Swachh Bharat. I repeat, actress Tamanna participated in Swachh Bharat. Here Tamanna stands for state Tamil Nadu and Swachh Bharat stands for dance Bharatnatyam. So friends, try to remember the actress name Tamanna and Swachh Bharat so that you can easily remember the dance Bharatnatyam and state Tamil Nadu. Part 4. Trick to remember famous dance in Karnataka. Let us see the dance and its related new word. The famous dance is Yakshagana. I repeat, Yakshagana. It's a famous dance in Karnataka. But how to remember this dance Yakshagana and state Karnataka? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Yakshagana, you can see the letters AKSH. By using these letters, I made a word Akshay. Yakshagana, Akshay, Yakshay, Akshay, Yakshay, Akshay. Both pronunciation is same. So try to remember the dance Yakshagana as Akshay. Yakshagana as Akshay. Coming to the dance Karnataka, if you observe the word Karnataka, the first three letters K-A-R, its pronunciation is car. Its pronunciation is car. So try to remember the word Karnataka as car. Karnataka as car. In this way we have got two new words, Akshay and car. Now I am going to frame this into sentence. Let us see. Akshay driving a car. I repeat, Akshay Kumar driving a car. Here Akshay stands for Yakshagan. Here you can see the image of Akshay Kumar driving a car. See friends, here Akshay stands for the dance Yakshagan and car stands for Karnataka. So friends, try to remember the hero Akshay Kumar so that you can easily remember Yakshagan and state Karnataka. Akshay Kumar driving a car. Here Akshay stands for Yakshagan and car stands for Karnataka. Friends, subcast part 6, trick to remember famous dance in Gujarat. Very important topic. Sure, we can expect one question. Dance and its related new word. Let us see the famous dance in Gujarat. The first important dance is Dandiya Grass. I repeat, the first important dance is Dandiya Grass and the second important dance is Garba. I repeat, the second important dance is Garba. So total two famous dance in Gujarat. First one Dandiya Grass and second one Garba. But how to remember these two famous dance and state Gujarat? Let us see the trick here. Friends, similar to my previous videos, here we have assumed the state Gujarat as rat. If you see the word Gujarat, the last three letters R-A-T, its pronunciation is similar to rat. So try to remember Gujarat as rat. Gujarat as rat. You can see the word rat in Gujarat. So try to remember the word Gujarat as rat. And coming to the dance Dandiya Grass, try to remember the word grass. Try to remember the word grass. Try to remember Dandiya Grass as grass. Coming to the second one, Garba. By using these 5 letters, I made a word garbage. I made a word garbage. Try to remember the word Garba as garbage. Garbage is nothing but it's a dustbin. So try to remember the word Garba as garbage. In this way, we have got total 3 new words, rat, grass and garbage. Now I am going to frame this into sentence. Rat eating a grass near garbage. I repeat, rat eating grass near garbage. I repeat, rat eating grass near garbage. Here rat stands for Gujarat and grass stands for Dandiya Grass and garbage stands for dance Garba. So friends, try to remember this sentence so that you can easily remember the famous dance which are in Gujarat. Let us see here the image of rat. Here you can see the rat eating grass near garbage. Here rat stands for Gujarat, grass stands for Dandiya Grass and garbage stands for Garba. So friends, try to remember this image or sentence so that you can easily remember the famous dance which are in Gujarat. Garbage stands for Garba and grass stands for Dandiya Grass and rat stands for state Gujarat. So friends, try to remember this image or sentence so that you can easily remember the famous dance which are in Gujarat. Of course, part 7, trick to remember famous dance in Uttar Pradesh. UP is the short form of Uttar Pradesh. Let us see the dance and its related new word. Ras Leela is a famous dance in Uttar Pradesh. I repeat, Ras Leela is a famous dance in Uttar Pradesh. But how to remember the dance Ras Leela and state Uttar Pradesh? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Ras Leela, it is similar to the word Ram Leela. Ras Leela, Ram Leela, Ras Leela, Ram Leela. Both pronunciation is similar. So try to remember Ras Leela as Ram Leela. Ram Leela is a famous Bollywood movie. Coming to the Uttar Pradesh, UP. See friends, Uttar Pradesh short form is UP. So by using these two letters UP, I made a word upset. I made a word upset. So try to remember Uttar Pradesh as upset, UP as upset, UP as upset. In this way, we have got total 2 new words, Ramleela and upset, Ramleela and upset. Now I am going to frame these 2 words into a trick. Let us see the trick here. Friends, before going to this trick, let me tell you some small story. Friends, Kareena Kapoor got the chance of acting in movie Ramleela, but she rejected it. But after release, it became a biggest hit. But so she was so upset. for rejecting the movie. I repeat, Kareena Kapoor was so upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. I repeat, Kareena Kapoor was upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. I repeat, Kareena Kapoor upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. Kareena Kapoor was upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. Here Ram Leela stands for the dance Ras Leela. Upset stands for Uttar Pradesh. Friends, you can also see Kapoor, KUP, both pronunciation is same. So try to remember this movie Ram Leela and upset. Here you can see the image of Ram Leela and Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor was upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. Kareena Kapoor was upset for rejecting the movie Ram Leela. Here Ram Leela stands for the dance Ras Leela. Upset stands for Uttar Pradesh. So friends, try to remember the movie Ram Leela so that you can easily remember Ras Leela and its state Uttar Pradesh. Friends, subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks for free. Follow me on Facebook. You can see the Facebook link below in description. Thank you. All the best. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 300 plus static GK tricks for free. Part 8. Trick to remember famous dance in Assam. Let us see the famous dance in Assam. State, dance and its related new word. See friends, in Assam the famous dance is Bihu. I repeat, in Assam the famous dance is Bihu. But how to remember the state Assam and dance Bihu? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Assam and coming to the dance Bihu, let us take the first letter B in Bihu. Now I am going to join the letter B with Assam. Then we get a word assembly. Then we get a word assembly. If we add these two words, Assam and B, we get a word assembly. So try to remember the word assembly. If you remember the word assembly, you can easily remember state Assam and dance Bihu. If you observe this assembly, the first three letters ASS stands for Assam, and coming to the sixth letter B stands for Bihu. So friends, try to remember the word assembly so that you can easily remember Assam and Bihu. If you observe the word assembly, it can also write as ASSAMBLI. Its pronunciation is same. So try to remember the word assembly so that you can easily remember Assam and its famous dance Bihu. Assembly stands for Assam and Bihu. Friends, I am providing all these tricks for free of cost. So please share to your friends and be helpful. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you. All the best. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks for free of cost. Just subscribe. Part 9. Trick to remember famous dance in Chhattisgarh. First, let us see the dance and its related new word. Let us see the famous dance in Chhattisgarh. See friends, Nach Raat is a famous dance in Chhattisgarh. I repeat, Nach Raat is a famous dance in Chhattisgarh. But how to remember the state Chhattisgarh and dance Nach Raat? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe my previous videos, we have assumed Chhattisgarh as charting. We can easily remember the word charting because we use it in daily life. So try to remember charting as Chhattisgarh. If you observe the both words, the first five letters is similar. CHAT, CHATT. Both the words contain same letters. So try to remember Chhattisgarh as charting. Chhattisgarh as charting. Coming to the dance Nach Raat, let us take 6 capital letters NARAUT. By using these 6 letters, we made a word Kangana Ranaut. She is a famous Bollywood actress. Kangana Ranaut. If you observe the word Kangana Ranaut, you can see these 6 letters which are in Nach Raat. NARAUT. You can see these 6 letters in Kangana Ranaut. So friends, try to remember Nach Raat as Kangana Ranaut. Now I am going to frame these two words into a sentence, charting and Kangana Ranaut. Actress Kangana Ranaut charting with his friends. I repeat, Kangana Ranaut charting with her friends. I repeat, actress Kangana Ranaut charting with her friends. Here you can see the image of Kangana Ranaut charting with her friends. Here Kangana Ranaut stands for Nachrat, it is a famous dance in Chhattisgarh. So friends, try to remember Kangara Ranath image so that you can easily remember Nachrat and state Chhattisgarh. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks for free of cost. Follow me on Facebook. You can see the Facebook link below in description. Thank you. All the best.